Setting up a printer. Check the bundled items in the box. The blue framed part may not be included depending on the country or region. The packaging for the CWD 3800 and CWC 4000 is the same. This scene explains the procedure for removing the protective materials using the C4000 series. Remove all protective materials. Allow sufficient space for the printer. Connect the power cable. Turn the power on. Select the language. Enable daylight saving time if necessary. Select the date display format. Enter the date. Select the time display format. Enter the time. Press the OK button. Open the ink cartridge cover. Shake the ink cartridge included with this product. Open the bag and take out the new ink cartridge. Do not touch the area shown in red. Install the ink cartridge. Push it until it clicks into place. Install all of the ink cartridges. Close the ink cartridge cover. Select Installed. Do not turn off the power or open the ink cartridge cover during ink charging. Press the OK button. The printer is now ready.
Generate by AI.